I have a master's degree in organic chemistry, and almost whole my career I have been working in nucleic acid chemistry. In addition to 2' methoxy, 2' Mo, 2' fluorose, DNA, we do offer several modified phosphoramidites, which are sometimes proprietary to some of our customers, like 5' POC phosphoramidites, 2' ACE phosphoramidites, the LNA, which is more generally available in the market. From nucleotide side, in addition to 1-methyl pseudo UTP, we do offer 5-methyl C triphosphate, 5-methoxy UTP. For our diagnostic customers, we do offer dye-labeled nucleotides, and also we are offering some of the cap analogs, different generation of cap analogs, for example, dinucleotide ARCA or some proprietary trinucleotide caps. So like 5' POC amidites, those are photolabile instead of acid-labile 5' DMT group. They use this product for microarray platform. I talked about 2' ACE is also different than 2' TBT silyl, which is also acid-labile groups. So they don't have use of fluoridine at the end. Use that for the siRNA library. This all starts from the beginning with working very closely with the customers to understand their quality requirements, come up with the key quality attributes for their product line. After understanding key quality attributes, we can minimize the waste by a very robust and cost-effective process. We try to improve to accommodate all the specification in one process. Even if customer's requirement is not there, we like to see if we can reduce the lead time, reduce the raw material usage. That eliminates a lot of waste and can bring more efficiency to the processes. Several projects are in progress to initiate the reduction of hazardous solvents, either reduce hazardous solvents or replace them with less hazardous solvents. We very closely look at the supply chain and diversify that. Our goal is all the time to at least have 2 to 3 suppliers for any critical raw material, and we try to diversify that's going not only to one country. If we are improving processes, controlling some impurities for one customer, that has impact on the other customer also, because the product is higher quality. Also, we can serve our customers better because we can, instead of giving 4 weeks lead time, we can say take 2 weeks. If we reduce the cost, we can share that benefit with our customers. The pseudo UTP, right? We used to have very small scale production because the need in the market was not there. And as soon as COVID hit, we scaled the process more than 6 times within very short period of time, in 2-3 months.